All right. Owen and I are at Dezerland today, and we are going to go go-karting. And we're going to have so much fun, aren't we? Just he and I. So we're going to put these soft things on our head. Owen got a blue one and I got a pink one. And then we're going to put our helmets on and get started. Who's going to win, me or you?
I don't know.
You are? You don't know? I don't know how you're really supposed to wear these things, but all right, we got our, now I have to go get a helmet. Ready to go? Owen's in number 1, and I'm going in number 11. You ready for this? Keep on the green and turn your wheel. There you go, keep going. Go ahead. Oh my goodness. It was so much fun, wasn't it, Owen?
Mm-hmm.
What did you think?
It was really fast.
Yes, it was. Who do you think won? They didn't really tell us today.
No, but like Mommy, I was trying to go fast to go ahead of Mommy.
You were in front of me.
That's why I was slowing down.
What were you pointing at? Like you were pointing at something.
I said slow down.
Oh. The lady told us that they go about 15 miles an hour. We were in the cadet area. There's a cadet area, and then there is a pro area, the faster area.
I'll go to pro.
No, we can't. You have to be at least 7 years old to do the go-karts. And Owen is 8, so that means Nadia is too young to do it.
So I can't do the pro.
So you have to be at least 7 years old and 48 inches tall. We've had a lot of new subscribers to our channel here lately, and I want to take this short opportunity to tell you that my name is Heather.
I'm Owen.
And this is my son, Owen. And on our channel, we do all kinds of videos about things you do in Orlando, not just theme parks, just about anything that you can do to come here and have fun with your family.
Mm-hmm.
So today we are at Dezerland. We rode go-karts, and then we're gonna walk around and look at some of the really neat cars that they have here. We're not gonna go to the car museum right now, but there are some cars that you can see that are outside of the museum. There is an arcade. We're in a little hallway right now, so it's echoey. But there's an arcade that we'll walk through, and there's a bowling alley here. This place used to actually be a mall. I believe that 2 malls used to be here, and both of them failed. And so they decided to make this giant game place out of it. And I want to say it's like one of the world's largest indoor attractions, and it's here in Orlando, and it's very close to Universal actually. And there's a Bass Pro here also, so if you enjoy fishing, you can go here to the Bass Pro and get some gear and then go out fishing too here in Orlando. I know my husband loves to fish. And ooh, they also have that really cool candy store, remember that? Oh yeah. So let's go walking around and check out some more stuff. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bugs Bunny with only 1 ear. I know, isn't that funny? There's Elvis. car. It's got like skeletons inside.
There's fire.
Oh no, there's a monkey driving. You want to go see the bowling alley? Alright, we made it to the arcade. Tree bird. Here's a car that looks like a seashell. Some more cars here. Flintstone's car. Welcome to Bedrock Scene. More Flintstone cars. So what they do, they give you a card, and he described it like Dave & Buster's, where you get like a card and you put your money on it and you get so many games on your card, and then you can always put more money on your card to play more games. This is the car in Harry Potter. And then this is the car museum over here as well. You can see some older cars over there. You can see some cars right here from the Fast and the Furious. And then in this hall over here, these are Cars of the Stars. Some movie stars cars right there. Futuristic looking car. The robot in the background. Up above, we have some satellites. And then this robot doesn't have a head. But this artwork right here, they made out of entirely of pack cans. Jumpstart, so it is a trampoline park. That would be really fun to go to. And we still haven't walked through it all yet. This is the track that we were on. This is the cadet track. Over here, they have some military vehicles. And that is part of the museum as well. More over here, there's a Cinemark. And then a glow-in-the-dark mini golf and arcade. That's neat. It would be neat to do some mini golf here, wouldn't it, bud? This is the Pinball Palace. So we're gonna go check it out.
These techies have no sense of direction.
This place is really neat. This is called Axecelsior. And this is just a little kitty version right here, where Owen will take the, let me see it, take the little axe and he's gonna throw it at the target. And then the adults will get real axes and be able to throw at those targets. And even back there, actually it's like all wood, but it's projected on there. But you can kill like zombies and things like that. So it sounds really fun. And then for the kids who are too little to do it, can play with these little axes here. So it's like fun for the whole family. So the kids can do the safe version, and the adults can do the real version. Do it. Oh, nice. So good. Oh, look at this car. It's only got one wheel in the front. Soda pop and candy shop.
You might want to take a look at this.
Ooh, all different kinds of soda pop.
Just this wall alone is 91 different flavors.
Wow.
Yeah.
Carrot cake. Coffee cake, birthday
But then
cake.
there's this brand. They look like they got disgusting names, right?
Yeah.
Up in the corner tells you what they are.
Pineapple orange. Oh.
This one probably would be my favorite.
Alien. Yes. You see that, Owen? Cotton candy.
Yeah.
Owen, you want some swamp juice?
And then the taffy got 90 different flavors of taffy.
Wow.
So.
Caramel apple.
Yes. Blueberry cobbler.
Cream soda.
I don't even know how you say that.
Coconut.
Cola, like hot.
Watermelon.
Pomegranate. Oh, God.
Bubblegum. Ooh. Cotton candy.
Grape cotton candy.
Popcorn.
Nuh-uh. Seriously? Oh, it says buttered popcorn? Oh my goodness, that would be weird.
Lemon cream.
You want some Band-Aids?
Mm-hmm.
Like bacon?
Hello.
Hello. Hello, see? Gum that bites back. Oh, this is, oh, it's like not, it's like a joke. Like you can say, hey, somebody wants some gum, and then it goes chip and snaps you.
And bites
And
you.
this, yeah. And this is a, yeah, it snaps your finger. This is one of those hand buzzers on your palm
I
of your
want to
hand.
get this one.
Yeah? Are you serious?
Yeah. How does
This
it
is
work?
$5.
How does it work?
It is Dr. Pepper flavored cotton candy. That is cool. What is this? This is a game? Mr. Bacon's Big Adventure game. Oh my goodness. Oh, Big the Foot. Not all who wander are lost. Oh, a hot dog, a gummy hot dog. I remember these little bubble gum cigars for like boys and girls. It's called dog drool, but it's really orange lemon. Oh, worm ooze. It's orange kiwi flavored. Ah! Those are so neat. All right, come on, bud.
This is a lot.
All right, so what did you get?
I got some gum.
We had a really great time at Dezerland tonight, didn't we, Owen? It has so many things to do inside Dezerland. We did the Go Karts tonight, and it was so much fun, wasn't it? We did the smaller Go Karts for the kids, and then they have a larger one for adults or taller people. And it was really fun. The prices were $15 per person, but there was like an activation fee. So it ended up being around $20 per person to do that. And they put on a little card that you can keep, and you can keep putting money on that card to do the different activities in the entire building. We had a really good time. Just mother-son time here at Dezerland, and this is a really good spot to hang out. I know a lot of people come to Orlando for vacation, and if you have a rest day or a day that you're not going to go to the parks, this is a really fun place to go. It's all indoors, so you're going to be in air conditioning and lots of things to do to satisfy some different interests, and something that you could do with your entire family. Yeah? Would you do it again?
Yes.
Yes. I would love to do the bowling. I think that looks really fun. All right, so now it is time to head home, and now it's your family time. Bye.